all right. Wow, what an end to the week. Man, you'll be trading a long time before you see a candle like this one on your chart. I mean, it is just very barely even a body on this guy. Like, this is the very definition of indecision. The market did not know which way it wanted to go. We opened, we were up, we were green, just couldn't push any higher than yesterday's candle, the midpoint of that body. And then today pushed even much lower. We broke through our 725 level, which we've been talking about for a while, and now got all the way down here to 715, 716. And then the market caught a bit and it bought it back. The buyers stepped right on in. They bought that big dip. So we're in the middle of nowhere. So I'd want to say, this weekend, pay very close attention to your portfolio. There's short-term things in there that, you're not so confident about. Maybe it's time to cut those. That's what I'll be doing this weekend. I'm going to take a very hard look at what's in the account and what needs to go. Because if we roll over here and go lower, we're headed to 700. Turning back the moving averages back on for you to see here, this is the first day since April where we closed below the 50-day moving average, which is my orange line here. That's a pretty bearish signal. The 20 days rolling over, meaning momentum is now headed down. We've been talking about this for the last couple weeks. In fact, we're right back to where we were 2 weeks ago. So 700's next destination is what I'm seeing here on the chart. That would mean the 200-day moving average, if it continues on its trajectory here or even flattens out just a little bit, might go on and meet us right up there at that 700 level. 697 level is exactly where I have it. But remember, support and resistance is an area, not a exact point on the chart. So we're looking at that 700 area, see what happens if they start buying that and we start seeing a pivot there, right? So we bounce, get a nice little wick, and then higher high, higher low. That's your pivot point, and then we can start thinking about a more bullish move again, right? So that's what we're looking at this week. Enjoy the weekend. I'm the Wall Street Yardie. Hope you had a good week trading to the downside this week. As I did, I had some puts on. So have a great weekend. See you on Sunday.